everyone. Do you like ants in your strawberries? Yeah, neither do we. So today my strawberry beds need a lot of work. There's weeds in them. They have no mulch. So today we're going to put some cedar bedding down as mulch because ants don't like cedar. We're going to put some cardboard to help cover some of those bigger weeds. And we're going to pick some strawberries. So come along, and I have a few other products I want to show you. Okay, so I've weeded everything, and I'm going to go ahead and we picked all the strawberries, and now I'm going to go ahead and put some diatomaceous earth down. I just picked this up at my local Tractor Supply. I did go ahead and try to knock down some of the ant hills to kind of really agitate them. So I'm going to go through them and I'm going to put a little bit on each one of the strawberry plants. Now I can use this because it's not going to rain here for the next week or so. I have not been able to use diatomaceous earth all spring because it has rained every other day. And every time it rains, this stuff kind of loses its strength, and so you have to reapply it. Next, I'm going to use cedar bedding. It is recommended to use cedar mulch, but I couldn't find that in my local area, so cedar bedding is the next best thing. All right, we are going to do the exact same thing with this bed. We're going to weed it. We're going to get all the junk out of it. I'm going to put diatomaceous earth down on each one of the strawberries, and then we are going to top it with cedar bedding and put my cardboard down. This variety of strawberries is called Seascape. I planted it from another area of my garden. I started with 20 starts, and I probably have over 50 at this point. I have some here and I have some another place. So we're just gonna get started.